best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support. Yep, another headlight restoration. I've done more headlight restorations this week than I have in my whole detailing career. See, I ran a headlight restoration campaign and the customers responded, giving me the opportunity to complete 2 back-to-back headlight restorations a few times. Lack of knowledge and fear kept me from this opportunity for a very long time. So I did my research and I practiced. The more I did that, the more the fear went away. Very profitable at that, and that's always good. The dealerships in my area charges $99 to complete a headlight restoration. I charge $60 to $75, so you do the math. That's the price of some people's standard detail. Interview with Tolly's Detailing and Family Vlogs, he actually stated that that's how he started his business. And man, I gotta say, that ain't hard to believe. Face your fears. Fear and self-doubt will keep you on the porch scared to jump. Don't get me wrong, I understand. It's easy to stay where it's comfortable. But it's nobody's fault but your own when things dry up. The winter time is when a lot of regret sets in. I've been there. Football season is here. You gotta love that fall weather. It's crunch time for me though, because the winter will be here before you know it. Hope you saved the nest egg, and I hope you didn't make any unnecessary purchases. Because if that's the case, it's going to be a long winter. The more skills I pick up along the way, the more service I can provide to my customers. That means more opportunities, more jobs, more cash flow, and more profits. I'm still practicing, I'm still researching, and I will continue to push past my comfort zone. So stay tuned, because in the near future, I will be doing jobs you've never ever seen me do before. The most important thing I've noticed about successful people is how they're able to be fearless. Shouts out to the new age.
Click right here to subscribe and watch these 2 great videos right here. Like a man.